jeez, I crashed into the person. No. I just crashed. Can you help me?
No, because you're speeding.
Why? No. You crashed into me. You crashed. You crashed. True, but you didn't brake. So I am recording for a vid. Bro. It's your fault for it's your fault for crashing into me. Can you? Woman crashed. Dang, did you see what happened? Bro. I know I'm being like a little jerk. And, it's your fault. I did, too. I did.